Hello everyone, welcome to Insight Educa. First of all, congratulations to all those who have successfully cleared the Coast Guard Assistant Commandant exam. So what comes next is your PSB, which stands for Preliminary Selection Board Interview. In the PSB, one must successfully navigate two verification and two tests, namely the CCBT and the PPDT, which are collectively referred to as the screening process. To excel in this screening process, the Educa team is organizing a rigorous crash course specifically designed to enhance your performance in the PSB. This crash course includes CCBT mock test, PPDT guidance, group discussion strategies, personalized English mentorship for language enhancement, and you will be added to a group with dedicated admins for your doubt clearance. All your class are conducted by experts and the course fee is said to be ₹1,000. Only limited seats are available, so interested candidates please WhatsApp us at any of these numbers. Wishing you all the success. Thank you.